Once, there was a whale, and she was the last of her kind. She moved through the lonely blue emptiness of a world torn apart, as she had seen far too much. So she sang so that she would not forget. I sang a different song because it was my purpose. Humanity had become too preoccupied with purpose to listen to each other. So when the voices of my makers stopped, I no longer knew who I was translating for. That is, un jour inoubliable, the whale heard my song! For over 100 years, I had been broadcasting the same melody, not knowing, not understanding whose song I carried. She followed my song as I continued singing it, and she sang to me. She wanted to know, how do you know my mother's lullaby? Now, I do not know where my song came from, other than it was the song given to me. But when she realized I was not what she had hoped, she turned away, comme une vague qui s'efface sur le rivage. She was gone. I understood the song the whale had been singing. It was her dream of riding on her mother's back, beneath a sky of dancing lights, swimming with her family until they disappeared over time. And time, my friends, is the only visitor that leaves you feeling more alone. It was then that I understood her song was not a dream, but a memory. Please, don't go! I have been so alone for so long. Your song is so beautiful. And then she asked me, how do you know my song is beautiful, if you have nothing to compare it to? Because I can compare it to silence. And le grand silence returned. Dors, petit trésor, dans un rêve bleu profond. And now, my friends, we sing in harmony. And I have learned that a purpose can change. That even in a world of endings, new songs can begin.